Geometry Review Part 2, Problems 10, 11, perhaps even 12. Problem 10, given the points E, 1, -8, and -3, 5, find the length of EF. The answer I got was the square root of 185. This problem is identical to problem 3 on this review, so if you're having trouble with this, see problem 3. 11. The graph of y equals negative x over 7 minus 3 is perpendicular to what? We recall that parallel lines have the same slope. Parallel lines have the same slope. And again, perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. The negative reciprocal of -1 over 7 is 7. So the graph of this equation is perpendicular to y equals 7x with any y-intercept you choose. Number 12. 12 is a little more interesting. Line AB contains A, 3, 0, and B, -4, 3. What equation describes a line perpendicular to this line that has a y-intercept at 0, 1? We will choose slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. If we have 3, 0, we can graph that here at 3, 0. The other line is at -4, 3. So here's our original line. First, I need the slope, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the slope of this line is -3, 7 times x plus b I'm not sure what b is in this case, so I had better calculate it. It looks like it's between 1 and 2, but I just think I need to calculate it. So here I am going to use point slope form. Which point will I use? I will use this one. This one looks easier. Okay, so y minus 0 is equal to my slope times x minus 3. This is point slope form of an equation. The point I choose is this point, 3, 0. The slope I calculated from my graph is -3 over 7. And of course we could also use y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. In either case, I get -3 over 7. Continuing, y equals -3/7 x. Negative 3/7 times negative 3 is positive 9/7. This is my y-intercept. So this is my original line. I did not need to find the equation of line AB, but it's good practice to do that, to make sure we know, no matter what, how to calculate the equation of a line. Now we need a line perpendicular to this line, and we have a y-intercept at 0, 1. The perpendicular line, we're going to call it line G. Line G is described by f of x is equal to inverse reciprocal of the slope, 7/3 times x plus 1, because this is the y-intercept I've been given. There we go.